How do you do it?
Just do it.
You do that to your nose and then you go this.
Am I doing it?
No, not at all.
No,
you have to puff your lips out.
Puff your lips out.
Not in, out, yeah. In, out.
Out. Like
Out.
this. Like this.
Out. You're still.
Do that to your nose.
Max. You have to puff your lips out.
Out. Like you're gonna kiss
look
somebody.
at Maya. Maya, look, puff your lips out. Yeah, Max.
I am.
Not really.
Why don't you try it, Anna?
This is what you look like.
Why don't you try it?
You have your earphones on?
You're not doing it.
She is.
I'm puffing my
You're like
lips
this.
out.
You're like this.
Yeah.
That's better. That's an improvement. I guess it's not because I guess it's because he has small lips.
Me and him have
going
the
like
same
this.
lips.
So like this. No, don't even worry about the
That's
nose.
not me. That's what you're doing.
No, do the face.
Don't even worry about the nose. Just go like
That's
this.
not the face.
What?
That's not the face.
You have to do that to your nose.
Oh, I got it.
Oh my god, can I do it?
How much longer? I'm thinking 5